Hi, this is iYikKam time again. So a few video ago, I show you guys that there's no ultimate in the past and there's no demigod grandmaster in the past because everything in technology is keeping evolve and getting better and better. So today I'd like to share with you something I have created based on the past, which is successfully tested and be able to be implemented today, which will get result and be able to shorten the training time. Okay, so what I created is named as the iFeet bowl. Okay, fit bowl, or sometimes I also call it as the three tai chi under the feet. Three tai chi under the feet. The term tai chi, please do not confuse it with the tai chi chuan. Tai chi in Chinese is actually mean balancing. Okay, it's just that our there's electron and there's proton, those kind of stuff. It's a balancing concept. It's not about which style. Okay, and football it needs balancing on different aspect so that it be able to function properly in dynamic. Okay, so this iFeet ball stuff, let me explain you what happened. White crane from Fujian, which is the mother of the iYikKam Shilin Tao. In my research, we know there's 4-point goals handling of the feet ball. Okay, the 4-point goal, as you can heard of me talk about in different of the YouTubes on feet balls. That's one thing. The second thing is that you know that for the feet ball in Mei, if you based on the Grandmaster Zhou Qinchuan, the gatekeeper of Mei, Zhou Qinchuan, that the weight distributions is toward the yang side. That's why we call it the clamping yang stance. Okay, so that's number 2. The third thing is that based on the healing art, internal arts of ancient China, that is what we call the heal breathing, okay, 中西法, and you can read about it in a lot of ancient Chinese classic, the 中西法, which is provide the full body breathing. Okay, and there's also the yin rise and yang sing of the leg 3 yang and leg 3 yin meridians. Okay, so and there is also the torque type of handling of the feet. So these 5 things, the 4-point goal, the body weight distributions towards the yang side of the Mei, the heel breathing, and the 3 yin and 3 yang rising and sinking of the internal arts of China, ancient internal art of China, which is related to the Chinese medicines, which actually I learned it from my Xigong Mali Tang lineage. Okay. Also, the toe type of handling of the feet, which is I learned from the Grandmaster Lin Guanchen, who is an expert in the Tai Chi Jing. This is a Tai Chi Chuan Jing, okay? All these 5, right now I have already fused it into one. That is what I call the iFeet bowl. So, in other words, all these 4-point goals, the stuff of feet handling, the heel breathing, and the yin rise yang xing handling of the feet, and then the toe handling, such as the Tai Chi do it the best, okay? Because that is those type of toe handling in the ancient China, but Tai Chi, like Grandmaster Lin Guanchen, have carried one step further because it's related to physics and so forth. 5 of this, I already fused them together. Okay, that's what I call iFeet bowls. And I have already created a process called iYikKam Transform 3S, also a feedback handling mechanism I call iTaichi, to develop those iFeet bowl handling. So instead of going to spend 20-30 years or lifetime just to understand these 5 different important keys in handling the feet bowl, now in Silicon Valley 2015 we got it fused into one. Okay, and that's also like to show you that every ancient teaching have their strength, but that's not the ultimate. There's room to evolve, make it more efficient, effective, or better, or so forth. Okay, and this is the facts. So whatever in the past one might need 10 years to train, or one might not even heard about it. For example, the white crane of Fujian talk about the 4-point goals, but it doesn't have the the weight distributions. And Tai Chi talk about the toe and so forth, but it doesn't have the yin rise, yang xing, and the heel breathing component inside there. So everybody have their strength point, and now in Silicon Valley we fuse it. It's happened now. Okay, and this thing is for feedback. It is, I like to pattern this thing. This is for feedback, for handling, so we can handling feet bowl. Okay, so it's not like I just oh yeah, feet is a feet. No, it's much more than that. And thus one be able to handle the breathing, the force flow, and the chi flow much better in a short period of time. Say 16 hours, you can get that train. Okay, this no longer a myth. So again, this is I treat this like in the Western University, or in the Silicon Valley, we write paper, technical paper. We go to the lab, we get the idea, we realize it, we go to the lab, we check it with data, we prove that it is working, and then we can publish the invention or the paper, or patent the thing. This is very different than people who go to some villages, take some picture with some grandmasters, so forth. This is in the Western university. If we know who is who in certain field and the expert, we can communicate with them. Today's communication is very, very convenient. We can Skype. We can actually verify a lot of things with our today's communications. So there's no such thing as a long-term learning, studying or anything, because we can verify things. If we have the certain level, like if somebody have the PhD in the electrical engineering and expert in certain field, and we also have the same equivalent, we can go just Skype and talk about it and to see what it is, and we can go to the lab and do the experiment. So that is the attainment accomplishment. It's no longer name dropping orders, you go buy C with somebody just because you want to make use of them, and or vice versa and so forth. No, it's getting to the Western way. You attain it, you accomplish it, you have data to prove it, it's repeatable, reliable, you publish it. Okay? So I really go the Western way. I don't want to go to the old Chinese way, because even though there's a lot of people who is good, but still a lot is just name dropping, and it's empty. Okay. So I'd like to share with you today that iFeet exists, YKT or iYikKam Transform 3S exists. This is what I call iTaichi or iFeedback exists. 16 hours. One will surpass many, many years at least just to get this and get the 3 flow handling. This is the Silicon Valley style. There's no end to the technology, and we don't base on name dropping or based on any kind of relationship. We base on facts. So this is for you today.